Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video you'll be learning how to make a basic fishtail braid और मैं कोशिश करूँगी बहुत सिंपल तरीके से लेकिन डिटेल में समझाऊँ so that all of you can try it because this braid turns out to be really pretty as you can see. So yeah, with this let's start the video. I'm going to secure front section of my hair with hairpins. Then I'm going to split rest of my hair into two sections. Then I'm going to take a strand of my hair from left section and I'm going to merge it into the right section. I'm going to pass it over to the right and I'm going to merge into it. Then I'm going to take a strand of my hair from the right section. I'm going to pass it over to the left section and I'm going to merge it. Again, I'm going to take a strand of my hair from the left section and I'm going to pass it over and merge it into right. Then I'm going to take a strand of my hair from the right section and I'm going to pass it over and merge it into the left section. But same steps repeat करने हैं till the end of your braid. I'm going to explain it one more time. मैं अपने right section से एक hair strand लूँगी और उसको मैं पास करके लेफ्ट सेक्शन में मर्ज कर दूँगी. फिर मैं अपने लेफ्ट सेक्शन से एक हेयर स्ट्रैंड लूँगी और उसको पास करके राइट सेक्शन में मर्ज कर दूँगी. But keep on repeating the same steps till the end of your hair and you will get a basic fishtail braid. It will turn out to be really pretty. इसको थोड़ा और प्यारा करने के लिए you can pull out from the sides. ये थोड़ी फूली हुई लगेगी और थोड़ी और thick लगेगी. And yeah, that's the basic fishtail braid. I hope you like the video. Do let me know if you want any other tutorials, any specific tutorials. I'll try to bring them for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.